Good morning, students. I am Teacher Angel. Before we start, let's have our objectives for today. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to number 1, identify the order of the planets in our solar system. Number 2, appreciate the uniqueness of each planet in our solar system. And label each planet in the solar system. So please stand up for our opening prayer. Jose, please lead the prayer.
Lord, teach us to be a child too, every day. In this world, let us stay to see a soul of beauty, whenever it is rainy day or sunny day. Guide us, Lord, in spending the time wisely. Teach us, Lord, on how to love our parents. Always respect our teachers and classmates, and to be good to them. Amen.
Thank you. Please be seated, children. Kindly pick up the pieces of paper under your chairs. Okay? Good morning, grade 4 students. How are you today? It's so nice to hear it from all of you. So, okay, class, please write your name on this sheet of paper for your attendance, okay? Kindly pass. Before we go to our next lesson, I will ask you first about our last topic, which is ecosystem. Can someone please give me a brief discussion about it? Yes? Yes, Miss Precious. Very good, Precious. Yes. Ecosystem is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. Thank you, Miss Precious. It seems that you are all now familiar with our last topic, so now we can proceed to our new lesson, which is the planets in the solar system. Class, what did you observe on the picture? Very good. The picture shows all the planets in the solar system and it is arranged in the right order. Do you think that it is important to know the proper arrangement of the planets in the solar system and also their characteristics? Yes, very good. Before we proceed to our lesson proper, I would like you to answer this question. Everyone, kindly read the direction. So ready to answer? I will give you 5 minutes to do that. Okay? Pencils up. That's answer number 1. So, Mercury is the farthest planet from the sun. It is true or false? Yes, Joel? Very good. It is false because what is the farthest planet on Earth? Farthest planet from the sun. Very good. It's Neptune. So, number 2, let's answer. Earth has rings like Saturn. It is true or false? Yes, Anna? Very good. It is false because Earth has no rings like Saturn. So number 3. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is true or false? Yes, Gideon? Very good. It is true because Venus is the second planet from the Sun. So number 4. Jupiter is the smallest planet. It is true or false? Yes, Miss Joanna? Very good. It is false because Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. So for the last number, Earth is the only planet that can support life. It is true or false? Yes, Elsa? Very good. It is true because Earth is the only planet that can support life where human beings live. Now, class, I will ask you what are some examples of planets? Yes? Very good. Our solar system is composed of 8 planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now, do you know the smallest planet in the solar system? Yes, very good. Now look at this picture. This planet is called Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the Sun. So Mercury is a rocky planet or also known as terrestrial planet. So next, what is the second planet from the Sun? Very good. This is Venus, second planet from the Sun. So Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is often called Earth's twin because it is roughly the same mass as Earth. Now class, what is the only planet that can support life? Very good. Earth is the fifth largest planet and it is the only planet in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. Earth is the only planet with living organism. Now, let's go for the fourth planet from the Sun. It is? Yes, Mars is the fourth planet and the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Okay, class, let's proceed to the next picture. So as you can see on the picture, what is this planet? Very good. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and nearly 11 times the size of the Earth and 317 times its mass. So can you imagine that? So Jupiter, the most massive planet in the solar system and the fifth in the distance from the Sun. So next planet in the solar system is Saturn. What can you say about the planet Saturn? People at the back. So, very good. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5. What planet is an ice giant planet? Yes? Very good. As you can see in the picture, Uranus is called the ice giant planet and nearly 4 times larger than Earth. Uranus is the seventh planet in distance from the Sun and the least massive of the solar system for giant. So what is the last planet on the solar system? Very good. Neptune is the last of the planets in our solar system. It is more than 30 times as far. Neptune is very similar to Uranus. It is made of thick soup of water, ammonia, and methane over an Earth-sized solid center. Its atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Okay, class? Again, how many planets are there in the solar system? Correct. Now, what can you say about Mercury? Very good. Mercury is the smallest planet while Venus is the hottest planet. Earth is the only planet that can support life and Mars is the second smallest planet. Now, what can you say about Jupiter? How about Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune? Yes, Jose? Very good. It seems that you already know some of the key characteristics of the planets in our solar system. Now class, I will present a picture and you should label each planet on the solar system based on the arrangement. You should arrange them from 1 to 8. So, I will give 10 minutes to do that, okay? So, let's start. Pencils up. Can you present your answer, Jana? Very good. The number 1 is the Mercury, second Venus, number 3 Earth, 4 Mars, 5 Jupiter, 6 Saturn, 7 Uranus, 8 Neptune. Very good, children. Clap 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Before we end our session, let's have a short quiz. Prepare your activity notebook and answer the following questions. Time's up. Are you done answering? So let's answer number 1. Neptune is the last of the planets in our solar system. It is more than as how many times as far from the sun? Yes, Gideon? Very good. It is letter C, 30 times. For number 2, what planet is the hottest planet in the solar system? What is the answer? Yes, Anna? Very good. It is Mercury. So what is the sixth planet from the sun? Yes, Joel? Very good. It is Saturn. So letter A, Saturn. For number 4, what is the coldest planet in the solar system? Yes? Yes, Precious? Very good. It is Neptune because it is the coldest planet or the farthest planet in the solar system. So, number 5, last number. What is the largest planet in our solar system that at nearly 11 times the size of the Earth? Yes, Anna? Very good. It is Jupiter because Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. So, who got the perfect score? Very good. All of you got a perfect score. So, I can say that you have understand our lesson for today. So, for your assignment, in a one whole sheet of paper, differentiate number 1, Mercury and Venus. Number 2, Earth and Mars. Number 3, Jupiter and Saturn. Number 4, Uranus and Neptune. See you tomorrow, class. Goodbye.